Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to change chat theme on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the messenger icon from the top right corner. Choose the user you want to change the chat theme. Now tap on the eye icon from the chat screen. Here you will see the theme option under the chat settings section. Tap on it. Scroll up for more options, and tap on the theme you like. And you will change the chat theme for the user you want on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to change the chat theme on Instagram. If you like our video then, don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.